Hello, and welcome. So today's our topic is, who is a data scientist?
Our today's agenda. First, what is data science? Second, who is a data scientist? Third, what work did data scientist do? Fourth, what skills are needed to be in data scientist? Fifth, what degrees are needed to be in data scientist? Sixth, pay scales of a data scientist in USA and in India. First, let's understand, what is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data, and apply knowledge and actionable insights from data across a broad range of application domains. Data science in simple words. Data science is the field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. In turn, these systems generate insights which analysts and business users can translate into tangible business value. Now let's see, who is called a data scientist. A data scientist is a professional responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting extremely large amounts of data. The data scientist role is an offshoot of several traditional technical roles, including mathematician, scientist, statistician, and computer professional. Who is a data scientist? Data scientists are analytical experts who utilize their skills in both technology and social science to find trends and manage data. They use industry knowledge, contextual understanding, skepticism of existing assumptions, to uncover solutions to business challenges. What work did data scientists do? By extrapolating and sharing these insights, data scientists help organizations to solve vexing problems. Combining computer science, modeling, statistics, analytics, and math skills along with sound business sense, data scientists uncover the answers to major questions that help organizations make objective decisions. In simple terms, a data scientist's job is to analyze data for actionable insights, identifying the data analytics problems that offer the greatest opportunities to the organization, determining the correct data sets and variables. What skills are needed to be a data scientist? First, Python coding. Python is the most common coding language I typically see required in data science roles, along with Java, Perl, or C/C++. Second, Hadoop platform. Third, SQL database/coding. Fourth, Apache Spark. Fifth, machine learning and AI. Sixth, data visualization. Seventh, unstructured data. These are the must-needed skills to be a data scientist. What degrees are needed to be a data scientist? Data scientists are highly educated. 88% have at least a master's degree and 46% have PhDs, and while there are notable exceptions, a very strong educational background is usually required to develop the depth of knowledge necessary to be a data scientist. To become a data scientist, you could earn a bachelor's degree in computer science, social sciences, physical sciences, and statistics. The most common fields of study are mathematics and statistics, 32%, followed by computer science, 19%, and engineering, 16%. Pay scale of a data scientist in USA and in India. In USA, according to Robert Half salary report for 2021, the data scientist median salary is $129,000. And in India, the average data scientist's salary is 698,412 Indian rupees. An entry-level data scientist can earn around 500,000 Indian rupees per annum with less than 1 year of experience. Thanks for watching.